Are you tired of manually recreating folder after folder in Dropbox just to get the same structure somewhere else? It feels like such a waste of time, right? Well, there is a much faster way. Learn the one-click copy trick that saves you hours. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to copy any folder in Dropbox in just a few clicks. Let us dive in. Alright, the very first thing we need to do is head over to Dropbox. So open up your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. This is where we will start. Once the page loads, you will need to sign in to your account. Go ahead and enter your email address and your password. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, which I highly recommend, just complete that step as well. Once you are logged in, you will land on your main Dropbox dashboard. This is your home base. Now take a moment to find the folder you want to copy. Maybe it is a project folder with a bunch of subfolders inside, or maybe it is just that one really organized folder you want to duplicate. Whatever it is, navigate through your files until you see it. And here is the thing. You do not have to open the folder. You just need to see it listed in your file view. When you have the folder in sight, look to the far right of its name. You will see a little icon that looks like 3 dots in a vertical line. This is sometimes called the ellipsis or the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with a bunch of different actions you can take. What we are looking for here is the option that says Copy. It should be right in that list. Go ahead and click on that Copy option. This tells Dropbox, hey, I want to make a duplicate of this entire folder, including everything inside it. Alright, so now we need to tell Dropbox exactly where we want this copy to go. A new window or a dialog box will appear, showing your full Dropbox file structure. This is your chance to pick the perfect spot. You can click into any folder, or you can even leave it in your main Dropbox root directory if you want. Take your time here to navigate to the exact destination where you want the copy to land. And here is a really practical tip. If you are copying a folder that has a lot of files inside, make sure the destination is organized well. You want your Dropbox to stay clean and easy to use. Once you have selected your destination, look for a button that says Copy or Copy Here. It is usually blue. Go ahead and click that button to confirm the action. Now, this is where you just sit back for a moment. Depending on how big the folder is and how many files are inside it, Dropbox might take a few seconds or even a minute or two to process everything. You will usually see a little progress bar or a spinning icon in the corner of your screen. That is totally normal. Just let it do its thing. Once the process finishes, you can scroll to the destination you chose and verify that the folder is there. It should have the exact same name as the original, and all of its contents should be perfectly intact. Open it up if you want to double-check. And that is it. You have successfully copied an entire folder structure in Dropbox without having to manually create a single subfolder. So now you know exactly how to do this. It takes just a few clicks and it saves you so much time and frustration. Go ahead and give it a try on your own Dropbox account. I think you will be surprised at how easy it really is. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.